Sphere of Influence Marketing Mindful Realty Weekly Training. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's Mindful Realty Training. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful and least expensive ways to grow your real estate business. Sphere of Influence Marketing. This is your most powerful tool. Many realtors spend too much time chasing cold leads while ignoring the people who already know them, trust them, and want to support them. Your next client is probably already in your phone contacts. Your sphere of influence includes your family, friends, neighbors, past clients, co-workers, social media followers, business owners, school connections, and members of your community. These are people who already have a relationship with you. The goal is not to constantly sell to people. The goal is to stay visible, helpful, professional, and trusted. People do business with people they know and trust. When someone hears that a friend or family member needs a realtor, your name should immediately come to mind. That only happens through consistency. Real estate is a relationship business. Every realtor should have an organized database. Your database should include phone numbers, emails, birthdays, notes about conversations, family information, and whether someone owns or rents. Your database is one of the greatest assets in your business. You do not need to constantly ask people for business. Instead, check in naturally. Send birthday messages, congratulate people on achievements, comment on social media posts. Share market updates and helpful information. Provide value consistently. People remember realtors who genuinely care. Your social media should remind people that you are active in real estate. Post new listings, homes sold, buyer tips, community events, mortgage information, behind-the-scenes moments, and personal stories. People connect with authenticity. Here is an example of a simple follow-up message. Hello, Sarah. I hope you are doing well. I just wanted to check in and remind you that I am always here if you or anyone you know needs help. I'm buying, selling, or financing a home. I truly appreciate your referrals and support. Every day, contact at least 5 people, follow up with old leads. Post valuable content, comment on social media. Small actions done consistently create long-term success. And remember, if it is not in writing, it does not exist. All contracts and documents require broker approval. Never record calls or conversations without permission. Professionalism and consistency build trust. Your sphere of influence is one of the most valuable business tools you already have. Stop chasing strangers and start building stronger relationships with the people already around you. Relationships create referrals. Referrals create business. Business creates freedom. Thank you, everyone, for joining today's training.